One of the things you see here is you see all this stuff hanging out on the floor, and these holes in the wall, and the wires hanging out of the walls. All these mean something different. A lot of folks, when they're doing about their kitchen remodeling project, thinking about their kitchen remodeling project, when it's part of a greater remodeling project such as this, they think, well, why do I need to decide on the cabinets now? Why do I need to decide on the appliances now? You're not going to put these in for several months. Every one of these things is a location for something. And we need to put this in now, even though in this project we won't have the cabinets in for another 2 to 3 months. We need to put it in before the floor goes down. We need to put it in before the drywall goes up. All that needs to happen. This little wire is a low voltage wire for your under cabinet lighting, more than likely. This is a future plug of some sort. You're supposed to have a plug every 2 foot of countertop space. So if you go from a 30-inch stove to a 40-inch stove, this throws all this information off. This over here is a gas line. This gas line is for probably for a gas range. That's very important to know where that is. Back here behind me, it might be hard to see, there's a little water line. This is more than likely where the fridge is going to go. And if you don't know where all this stuff is going to be, if you don't have a really good layout for what your kitchen cabinets are going to do, then we're tearing up drywall, we're tearing up floor, or you have something funky kind of running across underneath your cabinets. We even need to know where the ductwork is. This is a piece of ductwork that's going to come out for your supply to heat and cool this room. We need to know where that is so it's not in front of something or underneath the dishwasher or someplace else it should be. This is why planning is one of the most important parts of your renovation project. Thanks a lot.